Welcome back to Teshkid Effects for another price prediction update, and in this video I'll be giving you a price prediction update on Gala Games, whose current price stands at the $0.02553 mark, and here on TradingView the market is down by 0.97%. And in this video I want to give you the short-term and the long-term scenarios that I expect to play out, basing my analysis on the Elliot wave structures and the Fibonacci's. And allow me to kickstart the video here on the daily chart by giving you a brief of what has been happening here on the Gala Games chart. So Gala Games, from these low prices that we had been trading within, we saw a very nice impulsive movement taking us to an all-time high at around the $0.85 mark, in a movement that I'm terming as a higher Elliott wave contour to the upper side. And after seeing the all-time high, we had been seeing no prices in this massive ABC corrective structure over here in the formation of that second wave, and in that movement we have made our low at around the $0.023 mark. And after making that low, I believe we might have seen the low for that second wave, and I'm expecting another bounce to the upper side in the formation of a higher Elliott wave con 3 before we see a wave 4, and then continue pushing even higher in the formation of that wave 5 to the upper side, and giving you a measure from the all-time high. From the all-time high, Gala Games is down more than 92%, and that means there are chances that we might have seen the low for that second wave, that is that higher Elliott wave count 2, and also there are chances that we might have seen the bear market low, and very soon we might see that reversal to the upper side in the formation of this wave 3, and sketching out a minimum target area to the upper side in the formation of that wave 3, using a trend-based Fibonacci, connecting it from the low of the first wave down there to the high of the wave 1, then dragging the Fibonacci's to the low of the second wave. That gives me a minimum target area to the upper side in the formation of that wave 3 at the Fib level 1.618, and that perfectly lies at around the $1.35 mark, and that is the minimum that I'm expecting Gala Games to do in the next bull market. And once we see that, a reversal to the upper side in the formation of that wave 3, and that gives me my long-term scenario that I'm expecting to play out here on the Gala Games chart. And jumping to the forward chart for further analysis and also give you the short-term scenarios that I'm expecting to play out here on the Gala Games chart. Here on the forward chart, you can perfectly see the area that we made our low in the formation of that higher Elliott wave count 2. And after seeing that low, we have been seeing a very nice movement over here, in a movement that has been trading within a channel. And if I draw it out, we can have this as the lower side of the channel. Then we have seen the upper side of the channel. Then we can also extend the channel to start from that point. And this is not just a channel because this is an ABCDE channel. And if I have my ABCD structure over here, we can have this as our wave A. Then we have seen the formation of the wave B, then a wave C, then continued pushing a little bit higher in the formation of that wave B. Then we have seen the formation of a wave E, and right now I'm expecting a breakout out of this channel to the opposite side of the wave E, and that means I'm expecting a breakout out of the channel to the upper side, because you can see the wave E is at the lower side of the channel. And for us to confirm that we might see that breakout to the upper side, we need to manage to break above the 20-day MA, which for the moment we are trading below it. We need to gain some volume for us to continue pushing higher, manage to break above the 20-day MA and get to the upper side of the channel. And once that happens, then I'll be expecting a breakout to the upper side, and once the breakout is in, we can also expect a retest of the upper side of the channel. And once the retest is in, then we can continue pushing even higher. And also taking a look at the indicators here on the forward chart to see whether this movement to the upper side will be supported. On the RSI, we are trading at around the 44 mark, meaning we have massive room for us to support any movements to the upper side. Also taking a look at the MACD, on the MACD, unlucky for us because you can see we have printed a bearish cross, and that would mean our prices are coming our way. And that gives me the second possible scenario that can play out here on the Gala Games chart. There are still chances that we can manage to break out of the channel to the lower side, and in case that happens, that will be invalidating this ABC corrective structure that I have right here. And in case that happens and even see a retest, then there are chances of making a new low here on the Gala Games chart, and that would mean the area at around the $0.023 mark is not the low for that higher Elliott wave count 2, and there are chances of making a new low here on the Gala Games chart. So we need to be prepared for such a scenario, and I'll keep you updated on how that plays out. And that's the update for Gala Games.